Hello, 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 and welcome to Chaos and Memories, Episode 2, Packing versus Planning, the ADHD Bounce, by Guy Dorsinville. Let's travel today. Let's make memories. So when ADHD parents travel, the big ideas come easy. The problem? The details. Luckily, that's where my wife saves the day. She doesn't have ADHD at all, and honestly, that's why our trips actually work. So for me, planning the trip is my piece. My ADHD brain loves it. The research, I'll hyper-focus on flights, hotels, attractions. I'll design epic itineraries, the right tours, the best experiences, the hidden gems. That's why I think I became a travel agent. The planning is where I shine. But the flip side is the execution. That's when things start slipping. Not perfect, right? I'm the guy who remembers the catamaran tour in Hawaii, but forgets to pack the socks. If you plan a trip, are you the big idea dreamer or the detail person? Which one are you? Comment below. So, my wife doesn't hyper-focus on the tours or the skyline views. That's my job. She's building what I call the mom survival kit, which is toothbrushes, shampoo, chargers, band-aids, burn ointment, medicine, snacks. Everything ADHD people either don't care about or forget. So while I'm mapping out luau's and fireworks and shows, she's making sure no one has a fever, no one forgot their pajamas, and that we all have enough toothpicks. It's not flashy, but it's the reasons our trips don't crash and burn. What's the one item you always forget to pack? So how we balance? Together, we balance each other. I bring the adventure, I bring the structure, I bring the vision. She brings the grounding, the backup plans, and the little details. So without her, my trips would still be epic, but full of gaps. So without me, they'll be organized, but not unforgettable. So it's the mix that makes it work. The chaos. Now, traveling with ADHD doesn't mean it has to be a disaster. If you lean into your strengths and have someone who balances you, the chaos turns into memories. And remember the memories. I'm Guy Dorsinville with Let's Travel Today. And remember, let's make memories. Peace.